So this is my ofaku. I later did this because I was craving for ofaku. And yeah, this is another day. Another beautiful day that the Lord has made. I have to make myself ofaku with all of these stock fishes, some roasted fish. So this is my smoked fish recipe. It's on my channel. Go and look it up. Made by Gucci's Kitchen. I use beef. I use chicken. I use smoked fish. I use some towel. This is a very delicious ofaku. I'll show you when I boil my white rice. Yeah. I don't have many more scent leaf. Maybe I will add some vegetables here. I'll go and add some vegetables. I think I need more vegetables. Oh. Sweet mouth. Sweet mouth will not kill this girl. You're hiding your face. I want to show them how you're finishing my thing.
You said I should eat it. So I'm having it to finish it.
Your hair is nice. What did you do to it?
Nothing. It's just growing.
You did your front ties. I quite don't know about their front ties or front towels.
Lashes?
No, front towels. What do they call this? Oh, they call it edges? I think Nigerians call it front towels. My Ada. Ada Beke. Ada Neru Kwano. See how this girl is licking plates. Chineke kweli hojo. Ihe gi na sweet mouth neme.
Who doesn't like cornbread?
Kai. Your own too much. Your own sweet mouth too much.
Maybe it's just something about this one because this one it tastes so good. It tastes really good.
I have cooking to do. I have a lot of cooking to do here, guys. I'm gonna make vegetable soup and then I'm gonna make chicken. I have a lot. I have a lot to do, guys. A lot. My husband helped me to cut this one. I don't know, Chinema, are you gonna cut this one?
Let me see.
Whenever you're ready. Oh no, I'm not cutting it. I just forgot. I'm not cutting it. I'm gonna do it this way. Guys, this is what I made out of the chicken. I told you guys I was going to work. Yeah. So I did roasted chicken. Very delicious chicken, guys, trust me. And I did buns. My husband and some other families are hosting today. And I'm not feeling well. I'm not going to be able to go there. But I cooked. And these were the things I cooked. Buns, chicken. I still have more. I still have more buns. I'll show you the soup. So guys, this is another buns. I'm going to share this to my friends because it's a lot. I don't know why when I cook a lot. And for my husband, it's a big problem when I do this. I just like to have enough to share. I don't know why, but this is just how I grew up. I like to have enough to share also. So this is ogbono soup, very delicious, guys. It has nchon, it has bitter leaf. Very delicious ogbono soup. Yeah, this is what your girl. So guys, this is what I did today. And I have a lot to clean up. I'll show you how my kitchen looks right now. This is my regular medicine. You guys know this tea, right? I've been making this tea behind the camera. Especially because of my husband and everyone in this house. You need this tea if you live in the diaspora. If you live abroad, especially in the cold areas, you need this. I have a lot to do. But I'll take it one at a time. Guys, I'm not feeling too well. Not feeling too well. I'll see you guys when I see you. Stay tuned. So guys, this is the next morning. I'm just cleaning my kitchen area, you know. Just like when I'm cooking, all the heat will be on this. All the heat will just be touching all of this. So what I do is I just try to clean as much as quickly as possible. So I've gone ahead. This is what I've been doing, cleaning my cooker. That's what I'm doing. And I'm going to be spraying the one inside. I'm going to be spraying this. I'll come back for this one. I have dishes to wash. I'm just going to I'll just put this here for now. So I'm just going to spray this and then I'll come back for it. This is what I used. This works very good. And I'm clearing all these dishes. Clearing the dishes. I'll show you what I will do later. Stay tuned, guys. I'm done washing. I'm done, guys. Done. I'm going to get ready for church. I'll see you when I come back. Guys, like I said, I'm not feeling too well, but I'm going to try and go to church. I've been working for some months now, and I have not been regular in church. It doesn't make me feel good, but that's because of how it is. So today, but I'll manage to go to church because for some months now I've not been regular in church and it doesn't make me feel good. This is not how I was brought up. But the system of America here is so tedious that you have to work to be able to take care of your bills, and Sundays are no exceptional. It hurts me, but I have to do what I have to do. But I know God will take care of so many things. Thank you all so much. I'm going to church. See you later. Bye. I'm here in my church. This is a new compound. We are building a new church. A beautiful new church. Guys, I'm going to show you when it's finished. Once we are done, I'm going to show you guys. Let me park my car somewhere here under the tree.
Whatever it is, do the best that you can do in whatever field you're in, and you watch what God does. But be the best you, be the best Christian, be the best follower of Christ that you can be by obeying Him.
So this is my ofaku. I later did this because I was craving for ofaku, and yeah, this is another day, another beautiful day that the Lord has made. I have to make myself ofaku with all of these stock fishes, some roasted fish made by Gucci's Kitchen. I use beef, I use chicken, I use smoked fish, I use some toa. This is a very delicious ofaku. I'll show you when I boil my white rice. Yeah. I don't have many more scent leaf. Maybe I'll add some vegetables here. I'll go and add some vegetables. I think I need more vegetables here. This is vegetable. I just brought this out from the freezer. I usually blanch my vegetables, so I'm just going to add, you know what, I'm going to add a lot because of hobby. We like vegetables a lot in this house. You all know. Go watch. I have a lot of ofaku videos. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. I hope you understand. For those who are just stopping by, if you want to know how I made this soup recipe, please go to my channel. I have a lot of this ofaku recipe. Okay. So guys, I was craving for ofaku, and why not? I have all the ingredients, and that's what we are making. This is our ofaku ready. I'm eating buns, guys. I made buns. If you have liked this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. Be kind to turn on your notification bell, so anytime I post new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you. Ofaku is such a delicious soup recipe for your white rice. You can also eat plantain with it, or you boil white rice, you fry your plantain, or you boil your plantain. You can eat this with beans also. This is from my smoked fish. Ofaku Inewi, very special, very delicious for Sunday in your family. I can't wait to eat with white rice. What are you going to be pairing this delicious banga stew with? Beans, white rice, plantain, or yam? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have been watching till this moment, you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor. Subscribe is free of charge. Our white rice is ready, guys, so we are going to dish so we can eat. Look at how yummalicious this ofaku is looking. Guys, look at my dried fish. This is homemade. I have chicken, I have beef tripe, I have beef. You can make this with beef. It's always very delicious with beef. Honestly, guys, I have stockfish. I just have all the combination of protein, and this is making me feel so blessed. I'm about to enjoy my life, guys. If you haven't tried this, please go and do me well to try this. Let me see when you try yours. I'm sure you're going to love it. This is a very beautiful stew recipe. Beautiful idea for you, for your rice. You can try this out. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. Let's eat. Yum, yum, yum.